Welcome to AI Video Editor course for real estate, the game changer you've been waiting for. Please come inside.
It's your time to become an AI video guru.
If this was too difficult for you, I'll show you how to create listings quickly and easily. We'll cover the basic principles of video listing construction that will allow you to work with any video creation program or service. And we'll also figure out how to use templates to get quick, high-quality results even without any special video editing knowledge. We will consider three main categories of content: promotional, engaging, and educational. We'll learn how to convert any photo to video in a couple of clicks. We'll look at how to use AI avatars like me in real estate video content. We'll look at how to create a large number of listings and automate this process. We will learn how to create creative videos to attract attention. Everything you need to know. 83% of internet traffic is generated by video today. And if you want to bring this traffic to your real estate business, you need a video that can generate it. So let's figure out together how to do this with a course from Promo Realtor.